Are you ready for an amazing adventure? Today, we're exploring the super cool world of computers. Get ready to learn something super fascinating today. We're going to understand how computers talk to us and how we talk to them.
Imagine you want to tell your computer something, like typing your name or playing a game. How do you do that? You use an input device. Input devices help you send information into the computer. Keyboard, you use it to type letters and numbers. Mouse, you click and move things on the screen. Microphone, you can talk to the computer. Webcam, it takes pictures or videos. Joystick or game controller, great for playing games. So remember, input, putting information in. Now, what if the computer wants to talk back to you? That's where output devices come in. Output devices help the computer show or send information out to you. Monitor shows pictures, videos, and games. Speakers play music and sounds. Headphones let you hear privately. Printer prints your work on paper. So remember, output, getting information out. Now you know how computers and humans talk to each other using input and output devices. Pretty cool, right? Tell me, which device do you use the most? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.